how to fix Instagram or restrict certain activity. So hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, all what you want to do is open your Instagram, go to your profile, go to the settings, open the settings, and now scroll until you find the help option. Click on it, click on report a problem, click down here on report problem without shaking. And then all what you wanna do now here is make sure to briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you to Instagram support team, and then click next, and the Instagram support team is gonna be seeing your message and help you to get back your account into the normal mode. Don't forget to like, subscribe.